So therefore, we have arranged this buddy debate today. Yes, are you excited for it?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for this?
Yes, sir.
ChatGPT is a modern thing, so we can learn everything.
ChatGPT itself says that I might generate wrong information.
Not electricity and good education system in village.
Electricity itself cuts off, comes and cuts off, suspended, unsuspended. So how can you say like the city life is better than the village life?
So this is our fault that why we are telling him our ATM numbers.
We don't tell thieves. हम चोरों को बोलते थोड़ी यहाँ कर चोरी करो.
You can see that there is a lot dirtiness.
So you think that is dirty? That is not dirty, beta. That is used for burning fire.
Students are cheating through notebooks like copy books. So will we ban the book?
So brother, you don't have knowledge at all.
No, sir,
I
I
don't
am
think you have
knowledgeable.
knowledge.
And there are a lot of garbage, but villagers can't do anything.
The
for
garbage you are calling the nature garbage. I don't find this like garbage in the villages.
These villagers, I am talking about that villagers who live in village.
I'm not saying villagers are like have infinity life. Hello students, assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. How are you all doing today? You are doing great, alhamdulillah, mashallah. So today we are having buddy debates. We are going to talk like buddies. Are you excited for it?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Are you excited for it?
Yes, sir.
What is buddy debate? Buddy debate is a kind of informal debate in which you unlock the boundaries, you break the boundaries of formal discussions, formal boundaries like where you don't get to speak freely, where you don't get to speak in a relaxed mind, relaxed atmosphere. When you think of me like your friend, when you think of me like your buddy, so you will be free to share your ideas. So therefore we have arranged this buddy debate today. In this buddy debate, you can come in front of me, speak on your topic, tell me, defeat me, try to tell me that I'm wrong, say whatever you want. You can call me friend, you can call me bro, brother, buddy, bhai, you can call me anything you want. You are free today to speak. Don't call me sir, don't call me teacher. Take me as your brother, take me as your friend, take me as your uncle, I don't care. Take me whatever you want to take me as, but you have to speak freely. Are you ready for it?
Yes, sir.
Are you excited for it?
Yes, sir.
Yes? I don't hear the excitement.
Yes, sir.
I don't hear the excitement. Are you ready for it?
Yes, sir.
Louder. Are you ready for it?
Yes, sir.
No, I don't see the excitement. I'm not going to start like this. Are you ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Nah, I don't see the excitement. I want more excitement to start this debate. Are you ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so let's start this buddy debate today. Who's going to come to debate with me? Mr. Prem, let's clap for Mr. Prem. He's going to come and debate with me. Alright, yes, Mr. Prem. Have you decided your topic?
Yes, I have decided my topic.
What's your topic? Tell me.
My topic is that ChatGPT and AI are not harmful for us.
ChatGPT is not harmful. You say that.
Yes, of course.
Absolutely wrong. ChatGPT is one of the most harmful platform on social media, on internet.
How ChatGPT is harmful for us?
How ChatGPT is harmful, I will tell you. But first, you start with your points.
Sir,
ChatGPT is not harmful.
In this modern time, ChatGPT is a modern thing, so we can learn everything. Even we are learning new languages, we are learning reading skills, writing skills, as well as we are learning a lot of new things. So how can you say that ChatGPT is not harmful for us?
You say everything you are learning from that ChatGPT and AI, but you can't say that is right or wrong. ChatGPT itself says that I might generate wrong information, and it generates most of the time wrong information. So you don't know whether you are learning right or wrong.
Sir, not. You are so saying this is wrong. Like in this uh, in previous times we had not ChatGPT. Okay, so we cannot learn even new things from except teachers and books. But now in these times we can learn everything through ChatGPT except books and teachers. So why? So it means this is the beneficial for us.
If you say you can learn anything from ChatGPT, it's going to be better than the books and teachers,
Yes.
which have been giving you knowledge and which have been telling you for ages. And you are just putting a less trustworthy, untrustworthy, okay? That is not even trustable. You cannot trust it because it itself says that you can't trust me. You are comparing it with the teachers, with the books that have been teaching you for ages. So that is completely wrong comparison. So you have to bring something authentic in front of me, because ChatGPT is one of the thieves. It is one of the thieves. It thieves. What do thieves do? They steal. What does ChatGPT do? ChatGPT steals your privacy. ChatGPT gives you knowledge, fake. Then it steals your data, and it sells, not sales, it provides it to different platforms, and they fake you, and they target you for different kind of promotions and a lot of other things. This is happening with ChatGPT. How is it not harmful?
Sir, you are talking about that it steals our like privacy. So this is our fault that why we are telling him our ATM numbers, why we are telling it our CNIC numbers. So this is our fault that why we are sharing our privacy where this is a app just for learning. So we can just learn. We cannot share our privacy. So this is our fault, not ChatGPT.
Brother, we are not telling anything. We don't tell thieves. हम चोरों को बोलते थोड़ी यहाँ अगर चोरी करो. Thieves means what? चोरों का मतलब क्या होता है? They steal themselves. We don't tell anything. You say that ATM pin and everything else, but that is not the point. Data and privacy. What you type on what you type on different platforms, what you search for, what you are doing on social media, they are stealing that everything, and they are using it for their own purposes.
Sir, thieves means that who harms us. Okay, but if something is teaching us new information, so how we can say that this is the thieves for us?
This is not giving you the correct information.
Okay,
One of
listen,
the things.
listen me,
Second
listen
point,
me,
it
listen
is
me,
replacing you. It is
listen me. What
replacing
I
the jobs.
listen me. What I want to say. If a student who cannot understand like a chemistry from anywhere, if he is getting and understanding everything through ChatGPT, so how we can say that this is the harmful?
You say, you must have heard, okay? Neem Hakim Khatrae Jaan. Neem Hakim Khatrae Jaan. Neem Hakim Khatrae Jaan. Have you heard this point?
No, sir,
Neem
I didn't.
Hakim means like a person who knows less, okay? Very less, okay? And he starts treating you, for example. So how is it going to affect you? He might kill you. Same goes with the ChatGPT. For example, it has less information. Less information means less percentage of correct information.
Okay,
So it is going to be dangerous
so-
for your health,
So
not
it
health
means-
for your
it
life.
means should we ban? Should we ban?
We
Should
should
ban
limit
ChatGPT?
it. We should limit
We
it.
should not
It
ban.
is harmful. We should limit it.
If students are cheating through notebooks like copy books, so will we ban the book?
Students cannot copy. Students will copy the right stuff.
Sorry, you-
Copying is wrong. Copying is another point, another topic. But ChatGPT, it is harmful because it itself is not right. It itself generates wrong information. It is replacing the jobs. It is causing you. It is causing you a lot of harm by stealing your personal data. So, brother, you don't have knowledge at all.
No, sir,
I
I
don't
am
think you have
knowledgeable. I am
knowledge.
knowledgeable. You are not getting. We are sharing our privacy. So this is our personal matter. So why we are sharing? This is the learning method. So we should learn. We should not share our privacy. So whose
We
fault is
are
this?
not
This is
sharing.
our
You are
fault.
not getting this point. We are not sharing anything. It is stealing.
How it is? How is it
It
stealing?
is stealing.
So
We are. We are allowing it
If
to
we are using Google, so should we ban the Google? Should we
Google
ban
has
the
terms,
internet?
but ChatGPT doesn't have
No,
those
sir. Both are
terms.
one. Both are equals. So therefore, ChatGPT is harmful for us.
Okay, you say ChatGPT is harmful just because of one reason. You say it's not harmful just because of one reason. It provides you knowledge, and knowledge is itself not correct. Knowledge that it provides is not correct most of the times. So how is it going to be
Sir,
helpful?
even in these times, even we also make mistakes. Books also make mistake. So
How can you say books
why
make
can ChatGPT
mistake?
not make
How
mistakes?
can you say books make
Sir, books
mistakes?
makes a lot of mistakes.
How?
Books make a lot of mistakes. Even human can mistakes. So why can not ChatGPT can make mistakes? Why?
ChatGPT commits a
Sir,
lot
we
of
are whatever
errors.
we are getting, whatever data we are getting through ChatGPT, so we should verify it through other platforms. We should not
We
trust.
should verify because it is harmful to trust
Is it
it.
not harmful,
It
sir?
is harmful to trust it
Is
alone.
it not
Okay, thank you
harmful?
very much. Thank you very much. Clap for him. He has done great job. Please have a huge round of applause for him. He has done a great job. And please have a huge round of applause for me as well. Do you not think I spoke well? So please, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Okay, now who's there to debate with me? Who's going to come? Who is going to come? Aisha is going to come. Let's clap for Miss Aisha. Let's see what Aisha has got to debate with me on. Tell me what's your topic.
My topic is that city life versus village life. But I am in the favor of city life.
You say city life is better than village life?
Yes.
How?
Because there have no electricity and good education system in village. That's why city life is better than village life.
In village, you have natural air, fresh air. In village, you get to learn the nature. Plus, electricity itself cuts off, comes and cuts off, suspended, unsuspended. So, how can you say like the city life is better than the village life?
You should listen that दूर के ढोल सुहाने लगते हैं means दूर के ढोल सुहाने लगते हैं means like there have you said that there have
And dhol in this context is the city.
you said that city village have good environment but they have no good environment. You can go, you can see that there have a lot dirtiness. Instead of
You think the nature is dirty? When you
No,
see the
please.
cows around, when you see the buffaloes around, when you see there are everywhere trees
When
and
we
trees,
are- when-
fragrance of trees. Yes, you say we find a lot of kind of like stuff, gobar, pasted on the wall. So you think that is dirty. That is not dirty, beta. That is used for burning fire. And
But
that
we have a gas.
fire is very helpful.
we have gas for burning fire. Why we use it?
You have gas, but it gets blasted. There are a lot of incidents happening due to gas. In villages, we have gas as well. Villages are upgrading, but with the upgradation of today's technology, it has healthier lifestyle. You get to drink pure milk. यहाँ तो पता नहीं होता पानी में दूध है या दूध में पानी है. But you get over there fresh milk, fresh air, and fresh fruits. Everything is fresh.
Listen to me. There have fresh fruits and fresh milk, but the cruel leaders also snatch them and give them just dirty food and dirty milk. Why it is good for us? It is not good. Why villagers allowed sick instead of citizen? Why?
Would you like to explain me how can you say that villagers give bad fruits? Villagers are the one who eats the best, and who sell the best things. And in like streets of cities, you find garbage, you find pollution. That pollution is harming everything around. Even
Okay.
your health, even your lungs
Okay.
are getting infected
Okay.
because of that.
In city have a lot pollution, but there have also trees. Cities are also planted trees. Pollution को कम करने के लिए.
To reduce the pollution, yeah, very good.
But and villagers have a lot of and there have a lot of garbage, but villagers can't do anything.
The
for
garbage, you are calling the nature garbage. I don't find this like garbage in the villages. In villages, there is no dustbin. For example, in cities there is dustbin.
Okay.
When you skip the dustbin and throw the garbage on the road, that is counted like garbage. But they don't have that sense of like dustbin and etc. So they have things, okay, on the side of the road. They put the things, the garbage aside. Okay, that is a place for them. There is a place for them. But what do citizens do? They throw here and there. And one of the biggest garbage is like on the streets you find everything dirty. The gutters are full, okay, and the gutters are like blasting. So this you don't find in villages.
City have also sweeper for sweep this garbage, but villagers have no sweeper for sweep the garbage. And also they're allowed.
Villagers don't have the sweepers to sweep the floor in the village, but still the village is cleaner and more healthier than the city, where there are a lot of people in the morning they are sweeping, but in the right after 1 hour they sweep, like they are like taking the garbage aside. Okay, they don't take it and throw somewhere, not in the machines, they are taking it aside, and with a blow of air, with a one blow of air, it comes on the road again.
They have no education system. Villagers don't know how to eat, how to live, how to drink dirty water, and they don't know about for living life.
You say villagers don't know how to eat, how to do things. Villagers know better than you.
Yes.
Villagers know better than the citizens. How? Because they eat pure. You eat noodles, they eat pure ghee with makhan. Or you can say they eat a kind of glass of lassi that you won't be able to digest. Mean the citizen won't be able to digest the ghee.
When you are drinking fresh food, but your glass will not, it is dirty. How it is good?
That is not dirty, that is naturally like that. It is of
You
mud.
can't say this
बेटा
is
आप मटकों
naturally.
के ग्लास को अगर मटके के ग्लास को कहेंगे ये तो मट्टी का है तो मट्टी में बना हुआ है.
But they don't wash it.
How can you say they don't wash it?
They
Every
don't
natural
wash.
human being washes the pot before eating or drinking.
A lot of villagers don't wash their pots, like they just eat and they clean it. Don't just water. Don't so.
Beta, you might have seen a citizen who went to village and ate and threw the things over there. Villagers are not like that. A citizen might have gone to village. For example, कोई अपनी नानी के घर गया होगा, आपने उसको देख लिया होगा, and he might be visiting the village for the first time. He ate and he left it there. He didn't know there is a kind of different tape. Okay, शहर में तो आपके पास वॉश बेसिन होता है, टेप होता है, but in cities, in villages, you don't have like that. You have to push the tape. There is a different kind of tape. You have to push like this. Okay, and the citizen might not
Okay,
know about
this
that.
is also hard worker. Villagers also hard worker, but they can't earn a lot money. They have no money for get medicine. How is it good for life?
Beta, they don't have to take medicine most of the times, okay, because they are naturally healthy. Their immune system is stronger than the villagers, than the
Why?
citizens. Sorry.
Why in civil hospital have a lot of villagers? Why civil hospital have a lot of villagers?
Because in the civil hospital there are a lot of villagers. Those villagers who work in the cities. Those villagers who work in the cities like labor, they do kind of things. Okay, in the factories, in the village there are factories. They work over there and they are like harming themselves with the pollution. That is the reason they are
I'm not
having
talking
diseases.
about these villagers. I'm talking about that villagers who live in village.
Beta, villagers are. I'm not saying villagers are like have infinity life, okay, or they are going to live longer without any kind of diseases. It's natural. Every human being gets disease, but the ratio is less in villages. All right, thank you very much, Claire, for Miss Aisha Varma. She has done a great job.